Assalamu alaikum. Today, we try to understand some important offences and grounds in Pakistan. Some common offences in Pakistan under the Pakistan Penal Code, PPC, and other laws. Offences against the state. 1. Treason, PPC Section 121 to 132. Sedition, PPC Section 124A, 3. Rebellion, PPC Section 131 to 138, 4. Waging war against Pakistan, PPC Section 121 to 130, offences against public order. 1. Rioting, PPC Section 146 to 148, 2. Unlawful assembly, PPC Section 141 to 145, 3. Affray, PPC Section 159, 4. Public nuisance, PPC Section 268 to 271, offences against property. 1. Theft, PPC Section 378 to 382, 2. Robbery, PPC Section 392 to 394, 3. Dacoity, PPC Section 395 to 396, 4. Burglary, PPC Section 457 to 462, 5. Arson, PPC Section 435 to 437, offences against person. 1. Murder, PPC Section 302, 2. Attempt to murder, PPC Section 324, 3. Hurt, PPC Section 319 to 338, 4. Grievous hurt, PPC Section 325 to 338, 5. Kidnapping, PPC Section 359 to 369, 6. Abduction, PPC Section 360 to 369, 7. Rape, PPC Section 375 to 376, 8. Assault, PPC Section 349 to 352, offences against women and children. 1. Acid throwing, PPC Section 336B, 2. Domestic violence, Protection of Women Against Domestic Violence Act, 2012, 3. Child abuse, the Punjab Child Protection and Welfare Act, 2014. Offences against morality. 1. Adultery, PPC Section 497, 2. Prostitution, PPC Section 371 to 372, 3. Obscenity, PPC Section 292 to 294, offences against religion. 1. Blasphemy, PPC Section 295 to 298, 2. Desecration of holy places, PPC Section 295 to 298, economic offences. 1. Corruption, National Accountability Ordinance, 1999, 2. Money laundering, Anti-Money Laundering Act, 2010, 3. Tax evasion, Income Tax Ordinance, 2001. In Pakistan, the grounds for granting bail are outlined in the Code of Criminal Procedure, CrPC, 1898, and the Bail Act 1997. Here are some common grounds for granting bail in Pakistan. General grounds. 1. Illness or medical condition of the accused. 2. Old age or infirmity of the accused. 3. Pregnancy or childbirth. 4. Accused is a student or a minor. 5. Accused is a woman or a child. Specific grounds. 1. Bailable offense. If the offense is bailable, the accused has the right to be released on bail. 2. Investigation not completed. If the investigation is not completed within the statutory period, the accused may be granted bail. 3. No reasonable grounds for detention. If the court is satisfied that there are no reasonable grounds for detaining the accused, bail may be granted. 4. Accused not a flight risk. If the court is satisfied that the accused is not a flight risk and will appear in court as required, bail may be granted. Additional grounds. 1. Length of detention. If the accused has been in detention for an excessive period, bail may be granted. 2. Weakness of prosecution case. If the prosecution case is weak or lacks evidence, bail may be granted. 3. Accused's reputation and character. If the accused has a good reputation and character, bail may be granted. Discretionary grounds. 1. Court's discretion. The court may grant bail in exceptional circumstances, even if the above grounds are not met. 2. High Court's discretion. The High Court may grant bail in cases where the lower court has refused bail. 3. It's worth noting that the grant of bail is ultimately at the discretion of the court, and the court may consider various factors, including the severity of the offense, the accused's past record, and the interests of justice. In Pakistan, the grounds for granting bail are outlined in the Code of Criminal Procedure, CrPC, 1898, and the Bail Act 1997. Here are some common grounds for granting bail in Pakistan.